Hi, my name's Kim Sunshine, and we are doing a Boostmate tutorial on how to create a landing page or a funnel page. Once you are logged into Boostmate, you'll click on Sites. We have nothing in here right now, so we want to create a new funnel. We can either start from blank or choose from a template. Always a template is easiest, so let's choose a template. So we're just going to pick the first one, business services, continue. It takes a minute for everything to load, so just be patient while the template loads. As soon as the template loads, it will bring us into our template so that we can start editing. All of our main factors are here, so if we go to logo, we can click on logo, and we'll scroll down on the right side of the screen. Right now, we're seeing the entire navigation menu, right? And we want to fix that logo. That is not our logo. So we'll scroll down over here on the right till we see the brand logo. This is a URL. When we click on the image, that's going to open our media library. We have the logo already uploaded to our media library. If it is not uploaded already, you would just click add new and load from your computer. In this case, we will load from here. If you double click it, it automatically adds that asset in. We're just doing a funnel page, so we're going to remove the rest of the items on this navigational menu. So you can edit over here, you can change them, or you can delete them. We're not using any of these, so we're just going to delete them. We just want the logo up there. You can make a funnel page look like a full website and then scroll down to the element, but I would rather just add the call to actions on the page as we go. Each element can be edited one at a time. So all you do is click the element. You can edit right here on screen. You can change the color. So this is bold, and we know because that color is the same. If we took this to not be bold right here, the color is going to change to the black, but then we can choose a different color. And once we change that color, it will change right here. Or you can edit right here. And oftentimes you'll see Latin or Latin-like words. So here we would say we're going to create a page today. Get an appointment. That's our call to action. This picture here, we can edit it and change it the exact same way. So we are going to put the sugar picture in just as an example and add whatever you want. And you'll edit. You can do images. You can do logo. The whole way down the page, you'll just go step by step and change it. What I would like to show you is how to add an element if there's not an element on your page. Let's say we want to sell a product. So what I want to do is on this plus sign, I want to add a full width piece. And this will come in white so you know where we're working. I do want to move it up, so I'm going to use that arrow. We're going to add a row. We're just going to do a single column here. I added a couple. So in this one, we're going to do a headline. In this one, we're going to do a subheadline. And if you want them closer together, with this tool, you can just drag it right below the other one. And now you have them in the same box. So this is called nesting on the outside. You have one color is green on the inside. So the green is a section. Then the blue is going to be a row. And then the orange are the elements. So you can stack everything right here. Sometimes if you want a little bit more spacing, you'll add the element a little lower down. So this is where we're going to pitch our product, and we're going to put our one. So we have the choice of, when we type in the word order, you will see that you have 2-step order, 1-step order, or confirmation. 1-step order puts everything on one page without having to click through to a second page or a second screen. There we go. So if that ever happens where you have it twice, just click one and hit the trash button. That'll help you to throw it away. Get your awesome product now. Hurry. Here we go. So with your headline and our subheadline, you can make that whatever you want. Once we have the shopping cart open, we'll see that this says 1-step order form. That's the element name. You can change it if you want to. That's kind of the behind the scenes name of it. You can see our button size. I kind of want the button size to be medium. Flat color's fine, that's fine. I would like the background of this whole area to be a different color. So we have the whole page is black. So let's just go along with that. And now it matches the rest of the page. The shopping cart area will still stay white, and I want to keep it that way. We have some advanced options, such as shipping and your info. So if you're not shipping a product and you're just doing a service, I would say your information. You could do a subheadline, upgrade your order, and save. So if you're doing another offer or you have 2 offers, you can do that. I want to put secure. So I would rather put secure order form because all of our order forms are secure. Are we selling business to business or business to consumer? If you are primarily business to business, you want to leave show your company name. If your primary customer is business to consumer, then you want to say hide company name. Full name validation is always good. You want them to have their phone number. We want their phone number. If you're not shipping, you don't have to show shipping. The less things you have somebody fill out in order to place an order, the better. If you want to have their address for any reason, you can leave show shipping. That is completely up to you. I like to hide it when possible, just so that my customers don't have to fill out as many items or as many things. You can rename any of these items that show up on your order form. I just stick with what is already coming through. You could do enable postal code and country if you had the address in there, but you don't have to. You can include your product description. If your title of the product is not descriptive enough, then you definitely want to turn that on. You want your pricing information, of course. Order bump, that is second level, and we'll get into that in another training. If you are going to have coupon codes available, you want to enable a coupon code. If you choose to have no coupon codes, just uncheck this. I like sticky contact. That's for my clients who have filled things out before from that specific device. When they come to the order page, it's already going to have their name and phone number in there. You can choose to validate disposable emails, which we'd like to do on an order. You can also choose to make a new contact on every purchase. That depends on your workflows and what your plan is there. And you can see how this looks. You want this visible on both desktop and on mobile devices. So we would save that. Once you go to save, your SEO options are going to open right on the left. So you want to click it, give it a title, add description, my awesome product, You can add keywords, author, but one thing I want to show you is the social media image. That is the image that's going to show when you drop the link to this page into social media. So I always like to use my logo. You can use whatever you want. If you create yourself a little banner that would include your phone number or a call to action on your logo, you can include that in the social image as well, but this will do. Links and tags, I'm not adding any other links. You can add tags and links if you choose. I'm going to update the SEO, save. We're not going to be able to publish yet because we do not have a domain name, and you'll see that in another video. But we can get a preview by looking right here, and I'm going to open that link in a new tab. Here it is, my logo, welcome to my web page, the picture that we did, and here is the order form. We have not connected a product yet, so we're seeing that. Let's go connect a product. I'm going to use the back button to exit out of the edit screen. I'm in Sites. Here's my home page. That's what I added. Any of the other pages you have, you can delete or edit. For this example, we want to add the product to our home page. So we have this tab connected here. We click products. So you can have one product on the home page. You can have a different product on the next page. So right here, this is where we have our shopping cart. So you have to have a product where you have a shopping cart. The product that we created was my product for sale. So choose that from the drop-down menu. And here you have my price. If you have more than one product, you can make those products available for purchase. Your product name should still stay your product name if you named it well. We do have additional options. The additional options are to allow multiple quantities, so you can have somebody purchase more than one. In this case, It's just my awesome product, and it's a single one, and it's like a service. So we'll just leave that as a main product and save. Now that this has been saved, we're going to look at our preview page, and I'm going to hit, well, there it is, F5. F5 will refresh your page when you are looking to view something. So it did a complete refresh load. So now you see that my product for sale has populated. We did leave the coupon code was available, so that is available here. The only downfall to leaving a coupon code available is that people will now go searching for a coupon code. So if you're not utilizing coupon codes or don't plan to, just go ahead and remove that. Again, if I created a coupon code for customers, a specific group of customers, and not for others, I would not have the coupon code available everywhere, just on the pages that I was sending to those specific customers. This is it. This is how you add your product to a page. Now, we did not edit the full page. Of course, there's a lot more things on this page that we can edit. But for this example, we just wanted to show some editing features, how to add some elements, as well as how to add the product so that you can sell it. So thanks for watching. My name's Kim Sunshine, and you've been watching the tutorials for Boostmate.